So hello friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will discuss about the Wipro COE Lite exclusive 2025 hiring updates. What are the latest real interview questions of COE Lite on campus hiring, and I will also share an ebook that contains multiple COE Lite recent interview questions when they will start interviews for the COE Lite pending candidates. They are waiting from the long time when COE Lite exclusive 2025 hiring results out. I will discuss in the video in detail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So there are many candidates, those who commented on the video. In their college, around 80 students appeared for the Wipro interview between the 16th to 29th May. But due to some interviewers not showing up, and 10 to 12 students had to request rescheduling the interviews from their college. So the candidate who commented, he gave his interview on 16th May, and now he is expecting the result when their all interviews are completed. So he mentioned it is an on-campus drive. And here is another people. He gave his interview on April 17th, and where the drive handled by his college, and still no one from his college among 150 plus students did not get their interview result. So his question is when he can expect his result. And another people wrote, same in his college, 40 students appear for the interview and 35 remaining and waiting from the 3 months for the interview. The elite on campus and off campus processes are different, but currently they are taking the interviews of elite off campus peoples because they are also waiting from the long time. But there are on campus peoples also, those who are waiting from the long time, but they are also conducting the interviews for some colleges. For example, there are many people, those who commented like this, you can see in the screen, they have completed their interview on the 16th to 29th May, some completed before that on April 17th. It means they are also taking the interviews for on-campus people, but they are delaying the process because they are already many people, those who got selected in the process, and they are taking too many processes at the same time, and that's why they are delaying the process. But those who got a survey mail on the 29th April, they will surely get their interview schedule mail very soon. But I will suggest you don't rely on Wipro 100%, but try to apply the opportunities in another companies also, because if you will get your interview, then again you have to wait for your result, and it may take 5 to 6 months to complete the process or even more, because previously with 2022 batch only 50% candidates get onboarded. So the previous records are also not good of Wipro. That's why I'm saying don't rely on Wipro 100% and try to apply in the other companies also. So when you can expect the interviews and their interview result? So as you can see, the people are getting their interviews, so you will also get your interview, don't worry. But it will may take some more time for result. Maybe this month you can expect the result for on campus peoples, because it's already too late for off campus peoples. They are sending the result within 30 to 45 days, so there is maximum chances of getting result in this month. So the last option is wait and also try to apply in the another company. So I want to tell you, there is a candidate who messaged me. His name is Harsha and he is from Tamil Nadu, and he shared multiple interviews from his college with me because he want to help everyone, those who are not completed the interviews and they are waiting for their interviews. I want to thank to him because he take one step to help others. And let's start with the recent interview question. First question is always self introduction, and then next question is about what technologies you used in your project, and the third question is related to the what is your CGPA. Fourth question, what is Java. Then next question, what is OOPS, what are the types of OOPS. And seventh question, what is JDK, JVM and JRE. And next question, what is class. Ninth question is what is object. Next question is what is interface. And next question is what are the access modifiers in Java. And the next question is what are the differences between the array and array list. So the 13th question is what are the data types in Java, what is abstract class, what is Power BI and types of Power BI, what is DAX and what are the DAX functions. 19th question is what is your hobbies, and 20th question is what is your favorite place. Next question is do you have any backlogs. 22nd question is are you willing to relocate, and the last question is signed in service agreement. So these are the Wipro COE Lite exclusive 2025 hiring recent interview questions. And now move forward to other questions. So this is the next interview experience. Again, the first question is self introduction, and then next question is what is encapsulation. The third question is what is dictionary, and write a code for prime number. Fifth question is what is your strength and weakness. Sixth question is what is cloud computing, and next question is what is operating system, what are the types of operating system, tell me about Linux, what is your long term and short term goals, and if you are alone in the office and get some error, how will you tackle it. And 12th question is some basic questions about the Java and Python. And the 13th question is what is directory, and the 14th question is what is the use of GitHub. And the last question is there any questions from your side. So this is the second interview experience, and now we'll move to the third interview experience. So this interview experience again, first question have introduction, and then second question what do you understand by AI and how it was help us for the day-to-day activities, what are the advantages and disadvantages. So the next question is what are the basic subjects are involved in the AI. Have you written any automation code or anything you can reduce the day-to-day activities, or have you developed anything using the Java? Have you heard about CPU memory and types of hard disk? And have you heard about name virtualization? And the eighth question is what do you understand by the data center and what is the difference between data center and the cloud. The next question is what do you understand by traditional physical infrastructure. 10th question is what is a server and why is it required. 11th question is what do you understand by network and why we need a network in a day-to-day life. In the 12th question, do we have any knowledge on scripting area, any coding language. So the next question is what is version of Python, and the 14th question is primary and secondary preferred locations, and the last question is willing to relocate. So this interview basically more about the cloud computing. So it is all about the candidate what he had told in their introduction. So if you told about the particular technology like cloud computing, any other technology, they will going to ask from that only. As I already told you, I will provide an PDF. So if you want to access the PDF, firstly you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, then you have to join my Telegram channel. Telegram channel link will be given in the description. Simply you have to click on the link and you will be automatically joined to my Telegram channel. And then in the Telegram channel chat, you have to write hashtag Elite on campus and you will get a message in which the PDF is attached. Simply you have to download the PDF and you will able to access the PDF for free. If you go through with the PDF, you will able to clear the interview. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you guys.